Well, BTC touched 94K and suddenly the bulls have come out. Especially क्योंकि पिछले पूरे हफ्ते में मीम कॉइन्स हैव डन अबाउट 20 to 60% मूव. उसमें सब के सब सारे आपके फेवरेट KOLs एंड सब कोई वापस आ गया है कि मीम सीजन इज हियर. बट इज इट रियली मीम सीजन, या अगेन you're falling in the same trap? We'll be talking about this with Crypto Daddy, Realist, and Narkundi. This is the Bops of Crypto podcast. Welcome back, and let's go. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. 6 days of pump. Woohoo! We're so back. The bull season is back.
Yes.
Meme
Yes.
season is back. हर कोई यही बात कर रहा है. स्पेशली अपने इंडिया वाले पूरे सर्किट में तो everyone is like कि भाई meme season is back. All the KOLs are pushing meme coins. Pump fun के आपके volumes are up. So people are just going back कि भाई now this is the time to catch that, you know, $10,000 FDV meme that'll go to $1 billion FDV. तो ये वो सीजन आ गया है या नहीं आया है? या नरकुंडी क्या बोलता है तू?
I would say still early. Cautiously optimistic.
You're cautiously optimistic? Oh my.
Actually, YouTube पे हमारी ऐसी पता नहीं गलीस ऑडियंस से किसी ने कमेंट लिखा, नरकुंडी की नजर पड़ी दुर्घटना घटी. लाइक कौन ही है यार ये?
हमारी
कौन है
बात
यार?
अब फैल रही है धीरे धीरे. यस, पीपल आर
या तो
लिसनिंग टू
ऑल्ट
अस.
अकाउंट है किसी का, या तो लाइक somebody is genuinely tracking my
It's not
predictions.
us.
It's not
It's not
us,
us,
bro.
but yeah,
It's
somebody
not us,
is.
it's you, bro. Somebody has figured that we hold the
Damn.
power to the universe.
Yes.
well, actually मैंने इसमें जेमिनाई में डाला कि हमें और क्या करना चाहिए, अपना पॉडकास्ट अच्छा करने के लिए. तो they actually said we should put up a Narkundi indicator. That is what will attract audience. So
Interesting.
yeah,
आया.
एक सेगमेंट नरकुंडी इंडिकेटर पे.
यस कि
ठीक है.
दे उन्होंने पूरा लुक लिया अपने सारे पॉडकास्ट पे, एंड दिस इज व्हाट दे केम विद. द बेस्ट थिंग इज कि हैव अ नरकुंडी इंडिकेटर. तो
फियर एंड ग्रीड इंडेक्स छोड़ो, नरकुंडी एंड तबाही इंडेक्स देख लो.
यस. ठीक है भाई. नरकुंडी चल बता दे यार लोगों को कि आज व्हाट आर यू सीइंग इन द चार्ट्स. इज अ मीम सीजन रियली बैक ऑन? क्या टॉप मूवर्स हैं, कौन से गेनर्स हैं, कौन से लूजर्स हैं? व्हाट डू यू थिंक?
यार इट्स स्टिल अर्ली. आई मीन सी, जो लास्ट एपिसोड्स में हम लोग ने डिस्कस किया था कि बीटीसी ये सब वो ट्रम्प वेनेजुएला एपिसोड के बाद स्पाइक हुआ है थोड़ा सा. नाउ आई डोंट नो इफ इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ दैट कि मीम्स पे भी थोड़ा सा इम्पैक्ट आया. बट इफ यू चेक ऑन CMC, yes, there's been a spike, but it's also very limited to say. If you just filter down, see, so सबका last 7 days में, I mean, the bigger the market cap, the lesser is the percentage increase. So 1 second, दिख रहा है screen? And आ गया, बढ़िया. So if you filter by memes, last 7 days में, so जिसका market cap ज़्यादा है उसका percentage increase का, but 30 to 60%, that seems to be the norm. Now it's 7 days, it's fine. I think like BTC बढ़ा है, ETH भी बढ़ा है, Rolo effect आया थोड़ा सा memes पे, but to say that it's meme season, I think it's still very early. Like if you just compare to last 90 days के change, it's still every meme is in the red, except one Pippin. I didn't even heard about it, but yeah, apparently but any big meme, any community that you can think of, it's still down. And main cheat है, one of the dashboards that I track for meme coins, जिसको हम लोग ने पहले भी refer किया one of the early episodes. This guy, he is looking at Solana ecosystem. So if it's happening on Solana, then you can imagine that, okay, there is some movement. Now, in terms of tokens deployed, yes, there is a spike, but that's compared to October. So October mein, we were getting 10,000 tokens a day on Solana. Right now, it's at 30,000. 3x activity बढ़ी है. At the same time, the number of tokens that are graduating, that's also gone up from about 50 to just about 200. So you do see a gradual increase in them, but I'm cautious because the main chart that I was looking at was, is this activity coming in from new or returning users? And it's not in this one. One sec. It's over here then. No, this is the same one. Okay, I'll pull up the metric for returning versus new users. But in that chart, I was seeing that it's the returning users that are the main active wallets right now. So to say that, retail is back and memes are in full swing, I think it's very early to say.
Yeah, I mean, what happens is कि एक तो हम ऐसे sort of इंस्टा रील टिकटॉक टाइम फ्रेम में जी रहे हैं यूएस प्रेसिडेंट भी ऑब्वियसली इज लाइक इन अ रियलिटी टीवी चला रहे हैं तो हम ऐसे टाइम फ्रेम
The US president is a proper influencer, bro. Matlab, that guy is doing exactly what Insta and TikTok guys do.
Well, the dollar Trump it just pumped only 11%. ज़्यादा नहीं पंप
वो तो हम चल उसके बारे में थोड़ी बात करेंगे बट या व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से इज कि हम ऐसे छोटे टाइम फ्रेम में रहते हैं राइट इवन तेरा 5-10% भी कुछ मूव करता है तो लोग एकदम से they just like latch on to it and your data about how it's all just like returning users and not any new users that makes sense क्योंकि सिर्फ क्रिप्टो वाले ही लोग हैं जो इसमें बैठे हुए हैं and they're just trying to make back the money they've lost right so एक वो भी है realist यार एक बात तो like I want to ask you कि why are so meme coins so popular with Indian traders right ये जो पूरा meme का भी चल रहा है primarily मैं देख रहा हूँ कि सिर्फ Indian traders में बहुत ज्यादा चल रहा है so why do you think that is
यार मेरे हिसाब से in general the share of India and the overall crypto trading volume is fairly significant, right? And so that also reflects in memes as well. I mean, जहाँ से basically retail in general जहाँ से भी आएगा तो the distribution will be somewhat similar, चाहे वो meme trading हो चाहे वो कोई altcoin trading. And plus मेरे को लगता है यार कि India में भी India probably represents a very large section of the world's emerging sort of population, right? And because of its numbers. तो जो ख्वाब एक बंदा अफ्रीका में बैठ के देख रहा है वो सेम ख्वाब बंदा इंडिया में बैठ के भी देख रहा है कि मैं एक टिकट खरीदूं और मैं जन्नत की सैर कर रहा हूं बेसिकली सो आई थिंक एंड दैट रेजोनेट्स विद सो मेनी पीपल देयर एज वेल ऑल्दो अ लॉट ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशंस जो हैं वो इंडिया में इतने प्रेवलेंट नहीं है दोज आर ऑल प्रेवलेंट टू आइदर सिंगापुर व्हिच इज साउथ ईस्ट एशिया और मे बी द वेस्ट राइट बट ये जो रिटेल ट्रेडिंग क्राउड है राइट वो काफी इंडिया में पॉपुलर है बिकॉज वही है बिकॉज आई वुड से लो पर कैपिटा and very similar to that demographic that we see जो typical memes trade करते हैं कि भैया मैं एक $100,000 FDV खरीद लूंगा और ये कल को $100 million पहुंच जाएगा and I'm going to make 100x तो उस टाइप का जो सेंटिमेंट है इंडियंस में काफी प्रेवलेंट है which is why we are probably seeing these kind of numbers.
Yeah, I mean, I was seeing the number of people that hold BTC in the world. उसमें भी India number 1 पे है. So and that was like about 93 million or 100 million people. Yeah, I think.
Yeah.
Sure
तो
pull out
exactly
that data.
तो correct. तो वही मैं कह रहा था कि in general crypto में in terms of trading volumes, in terms of like the hodler base, India is at a very significant position given the size of the population, right? And digital penetration India में इतनी अच्छी है, right? And plus you have that young crowd, right? I think in terms of youth, India's youth is probably the highest in the world at this point of time, right?
Yeah.
जो वो generation है which is probably going to look at crypto as the future. तो इसीलिए वो सेम डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन हमको मीम ट्रेडिंग में भी दिखता है आई मीन आई एम प्रीटी श्योर अगर आप कोई ऑल्ट कॉइन ट्रेडिंग इंडेक्स भी निकाल लोगे उसमें भी इंडिया विल फेयर प्रीटी हाई एंड तो इसलिए वो सेम डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन आपको मीम्स में भी दिखता है
गॉट इट क्रिप्टो डैडी यार are there any like new sort of memes that you've been tracking तू तो ट्रेडिंग करते रहता है तो कुछ नया है क्या मार्केट में
अच्छा यार in my case I've personally stayed away from meme tokens for quite a while now. Okay, and the reason being because maybe last year mid तक तो चल रहे थे ये, and you could have made some money. But अभी जिस तरह meme tokens का जिस तरह movement चल रहा है, you know how the cabals penetrated the meme token market and how they were basically pumping and dumping tokens. If you, by the time you found out about a meme token, you are bound to lose money. वो ये वाला हाल था, ठीक है. You know, by the time you were entering into that chart, you were basically the exit liquidity of people who already bought in before you. और उसमें होता यही था कि and you also have to understand that meme market right now is very different from meme market 4 years ago. पहले 4 साल पहले meme market was very different when the time of, let's say, Pepe or I don't know, Dogecoin or Floki or ये सब, they were basically smart contracts written by developers, meme token smart contracts लिखे गए थे and they were pushed out. आज के ज़माने में you have Pump Fund, you have Radium, you have Meteor, there are so many other platforms where, you know, anybody can go and create a meme token, buy in maybe, let's say, $500 worth of their own token, start the liquidity pool and then just push it forward. उसके बाद it's, you know, and वो $500 पे, you know, he's probably holding maybe 30% of the overall token supply, right? And the minute वो उसका जो market cap है वो, let's say, touches 300k 400k, वो बेच देता है. वो 50 उसने वो उस when he buys it, उस time पे उसका market cap होता है at 5k 6k 10k, he's selling it off at, let's say, 500k market cap. वो $500 का $5000 करके वो निकल जाता है. You know, that's how these meme creators are making money, and that is why you see this flood of meme tokens coming in. But even in that flood, of course, you know, every now and then there are certain tokens that come in. There are certain coins that do pop up here and there, that have high volumes, where the devs are, let's say, cleaner compared to everybody else. So you end up making some money there. Now, what do? I have a couple of tokens that I think I in the last week that popped up. So I don't know if you want to see the screen. I can show you the screen, but I can pull out and just tell you the names as well. So anyway, you guys like, बताओ क्या करना है? You want me to share?
Yeah, this.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
While you know crypto daddies pulling the names out, realist यार एक और चीज ये जो pump fund वाला पूरा mania है. I know, like,
Yeah.
sometimes we talk about it, but do you see this dying down?
No, I don't.
No, you
मेरे
don't.
हिसाब से no, I don't. But again, just because I don't see it dying down does not mean that I think that it can hamper an impending altcoin season, right? Or a full-blown alt season. Because मेरे हिसाब से यार वो लोग जो tokens वो ट्रेड कर रहे हैं, because यार एक चीज हमको देखनी पड़ेगी कि यार इतने कुछ दिनों से जो memes भाग रहे हैं, right? So retail is kind of like जो कल हमने जो क्रिप्टो डैडी ने बताया, राइट, कि न्यू ईयर सबको बोनसेस मिले हैं, लोग पैसे डाल रहे हैं. सो retail is sort of maybe finger dipping, right, the way I would see it. And they're sort of, yeah, तो कुछ I don't know if we can see some returning wallets coming in or not. I think Narkundi can sort of deep dive on that data point even more. But yeah, I mean, like, the money is kind of finding its way. Or इसके सिवाय I don't see the pump fund sort of mania dying down anytime soon, because yeah, it's a way of making quick money. Any quick money scheme will always be there, right? And it's easy to like the barrier to entry is so low. कोई भी जाके टोकन लॉन्च कर सकता है, and उसको ट्रेड करने के लिए लोग तो बैठे हुए हैं, because सबको वो everybody wants to trade a $100,000 market cap token. Nobody wants to buy a $1 billion token and ride it till maybe $100 billion. Everybody wants that कि मैं $100,000 को $100 billion तक ride out कर जाऊं. तो उस टाइप का माइंडसेट is not a mindset जो कि एक शॉर्ट टर्म माइंडसेट है. वो माइंडसेट है like pump fund succeeded. तो मैं ये किसी के साथ डिस्कस कर रहा था कुछ दिन पहले कि यार मीम्स इतने पॉपुलर क्यों हैं, पंप फंड टाइप का चीज क्यों चल रहा है. पंप फंड टाइप का चीज इसलिए नहीं चला बिकॉज पंप फंड ने कुछ नया इंट्रोड्यूस कर दिया. लोग ऑलरेडी ऐसे ही माइंडसेट में थे एंड पंप फंड सॉर्ट ऑफ प्लग्ड इटसेल्फ इनटू दैट एंटायर माइंडसेट. लाइक ऐसा नहीं है कि उसके पहले आदमी बोल रहा था मैं सिर्फ कैश फ्लो वाली कंपनी खरीदूंगा, मेरे को ब्लू चिप्स खरीदने हैं, मेरे को फालतू चीजें मत लेके आओ मेरे सामने, मेरे को कोई ऐसा चीज बताओ जिससे मैं अपने पोर्टफोलियो को अगले 100 साल के लिए बना पाऊं या अगले 10 साल के लिए बना पाऊं. लोग नहीं सोच रहे थे ऐसे, लोग यही सोच रहे थे, पीपल वर ट्रेडिंग ऑन द फ्लाई कि भैया एंड उसके पहले क्या था, ये ऑल्ट कॉइन्स भी दे वर ऑल मीम्स एसेंशियली, राइट? एंड like we were discussing Monday, that Bitcoin is also effectively a meme, right? So it's the most successful meme of them all, right? It's proven itself to be a store of value, but it's the most successful meme of them all, right? आज के दिन में भी आप like nations are now buying, but इसके पहले ठीक before 2024 I mean BTC was still a meme. तो मेरे हिसाब से लोग यही कर रहे थे, pump fund came and plugged itself in. तो इसका मतलब ये है कि ये लोगों की intrinsic nature है, right? Pump fund sort of exposes that, like pump fund portrays that and puts it right in your face. This is what people want. तो इसलिए मेरे हिसाब से this is not a fad जो आज है कल चला जाएगा. Like for example, like a more pertinent question can be, will AI agent tokens do well or not? Were they a fad? Were they a fad? Yes. But is Pump Fund as a platform was it a fad? The answer is no. It is going to be there for a long duration of time. हाँ, उसकी एप्लीकेशन बदलती रहेगी. उसमें आज के दिन में कचड़ा पट्टी मीम्स आ रहे थे एक टाइम पे, जैसे लोग अपने आप को केज में बंद करके बोल रहे थे कि मैं जब तक $25 मिलियन पहुंच नहीं आता मैं केज से निकालूंगा नहीं, है ना? लाइक पीपल आर डूइंग इट फॉर ऑल सॉर्ट्स ऑफ क्रैप. तो मेरे हिसाब से Pump Fund exposes that. Like Pump Fund is like मैं क्या बोलूं, it's like OnlyFans is not fad, right? Because I mean, it just plugs into a normal human psyche. तो मेरे हिसाब से उसी तरीके से Pump Fund is here to stay. उसके applications बदल सकते हैं, उस पे किस तरीके के creators आ सकते हैं वो change हो सकते हैं from season to season, from time to time. But Pump Fund as a concept, I think it's the best concept of a launchpad altogether. बाकी सारी ये जो launchpads टाइप के हैं वो सब मर जाएंगे. Pump Fund टाइप का जो क्राइटेरिया, मतलब इस टाइप के जो launchpads हैं वो I think are here to stay.
Got it. Crypto Daddy.
Can you guys see my screen?
Yeah. Yes.
So I've been seeing multiple, again, like I said, and there is a whole sea of meme coins right out there. It's very difficult to pick and choose one. But the three that I saw and I felt they could do something was, one was this, Yaranika. It's launched like a couple of days ago. Chart looks healthy, you know. A couple of things that I look at when I'm looking at meme tokens is basically market cap, is it okay, liquidity lock hai. And then what I do next is, so I use another tool, and this was a tool I used to use when I was trenching hard. So this is Axiom Pro, right? Axiom Pro क्या करता है basically? Axiom Pro, so you have meme tokens getting launched on different platforms. So you have Meteora, you have Pump Fund, you have Binance का भी आपके पास है, you have I think Binance का, I don't know what's it called, Forum.me. Forum, I think. Exactly. So what Axiom and there was another one, BullX पहले था, and then Axiom sort of over the market. And what they do is they basically aggregate all of those memes together into one place, right? And basically what you can see here, यहाँ पे जितने भी new pairs create हो रहे हैं on different platforms, वो सारे यहाँ पे तुम्हारे पास new pair list में show हो जाता है. And then you can filter that out by different launch pads that are getting launched. So like I've selected a couple जो मुझे लगता है थोड़े ढंग के हैं. I mean, there you can select all of them or just stick to one platform. Means depends on to you. And then you can also sort of change the kind of metrics. I look at memes with volume of let's say $7,000 or more. ठीक है, तो I only look at those tokens के जिसमें थोड़ा सा वॉल्यूम आया हुआ है, ऐसा नहीं है फेक वॉल्यूम है, बस $500 बना के and then वहां से पुश हो रहा है. So there's not much due diligence that you can do in this, but you know it is what it is. उसके बाद फिर you have final stretch. ये जैसी मीम लॉन्च होता है तो it comes here final stretch पे, जब वो बॉन्डिंग कर्व के कंप्लीट आने लगता है, when the liquidity is getting locked, वो इधर आ जाता है. That means they have some sort of life in them. And then finally जिनके bonding complete हो जाता है and then migrate to either DEX screen or whatever, जहाँ पे where they get listed as a proper traded token. So you can go ahead and sort of use these sort of platforms to judge meme tokens किस तरह चल रहे हैं. Now, if you look at यहाँ पे, why I use this is because it sort of gives you a clear idea. For example, के token holding kitni hai. So 75% is basically held together by certain individuals on this specific token. Bubble map show kar deta hai कि majority of the supply is held by 1 or 2 people, right? So you know it's more of a scam. Devs are holding 75%, so it's pretty much the same. ये आपको बता रहा है कि devs जिसने टोकन उस टाइम पे क्रिएट किया at any platform, वो कितना % of supply होल्ड कर रहे हैं. फिर at the time of द टोकन गेटिंग लॉन्च्ड, उस टाइम पे किसी ने कितने % लोगों ने स्नाइप करके उस टोकन को सस्ते दामों में खरीद लिया. And then you have, you know, insider holdings and bubble maps वगैरह. So you get a clear idea, not completely clear, but you get a very good idea as to whether the token is going to be doing good or not. But then again, yeah, if you look at all of this, you see this, like this token has a market cap of, let's say, 1.84 million. If I open it, you see दबा की green लाइनें चल रही हैं, and then what's going to happen is, because one guy is probably holding all of it, he's going to dump it all and run away with whatever somebody's adding into. So again, there are a couple of tokens. So let's say Yaranika, ये देखो, मैं वही बोल रहा था ना कि लग रहा है तो अच्छा है, but क्या हुआ? In one go, it just rugged everybody else. Then you have one of these tokens again. This is called One USD. It's been active for quite a while, and just recently it sort of took a pump. अब ये pump real है, fake है, we don't know, but yeah, people get excited about these pumps, and this is when they say कि meme season is in, meme market is in. And what happens is, I'll stop sharing now. Okay. Yeah. So what happens usually meme season when people start calling meme seasons out is when you look at tokens like Fartcoin, or you look at Pepe, or you look at Shiba, or you look at Doge, right? And all of these, so you also have to understand कि जितने भी तुम्हारे पास sexes या dexes हैं, वो क्या करते हैं कि as soon as some token pushes 50% up or 60% up, वो ऊपर trending में show करना शुरू कर देता है. And your average trader क्या करता है, वो जाता है उस स्क्रीन पे और जाके देखता है कि टॉप ट्रेंडिंग टोकन्स में या टॉप मूविंग टोकन्स में कौन से आ रहे हैं. मीम्स टोकन आ रहे हैं अभी सबसे ज्यादा, क्योंकि they moved like 50% or 60% as compared to BTC or any other alt token. And they are like, okay, now it's meme season because वो सारे भाग रहे हैं. But it's not really meme season. I don't think that is the true case. I think meme season तब आता है when you are, when alts are rallying, when BTC is in a constant rally move, तब meme season आता है where you have these kind of tokens like Doge and Floki and I don't know, all these tokens, they move like, let's say 3x, 4x, एक दिन में, दो दिन में, they start moving. That is what you call a meme season. उसमें फिर you have a lot of these छोटे मोटे tokens that are coming from pump fund who will do like 30x, 40x. If you remember last year January, Trump token के बाद, when Trump got launched, between that and Melania, there were a couple of tokens that came in, went from, let's say, 30k, 40k market cap, went to 250k, 300 million market cap, 400 million market cap, and they made good money, right? Well, वही था because that was a season, yes. But right now, I don't think that is the case. I think it's just because BTC moved, तो वही होता है कि जैसे ही हल्का सा मूव होता है, लोगों को लगता है, and meme tokens are the ones that move right after BTC के थोड़े से भी move के ऊपर, और वो ये top memes move करते हैं, and then people start thinking it's a meme season. I don't think that's the case. Again, memes are here to stay. They're going to be the game throughout, but calling this a season is not the right thing.
Got it. Narkundi,
Yes.
कम्युनिटी मीम कॉइन्स वर्सेस सेलिब्रिटी वंस, कौन सा खरीदेगा तू? अगर तेरे को
सेलिब्रिटी तो गारंटी ड्रग है.
एक आध कोई ऐसा सेलिब्रिटी वाला बता दे जो तूने खरीदा हो.
None.
None?
None.
कौन सा था वो अर्जेंटीना का मिली का जो टोकन था?
नहीं भाई,
you bought that token, bro.
No. मैं पोर्टफोलियो रिकॉर्ड खराब मत कर.
Biggest celebrity rug ever.
Maybe it got drugged
Yeah.
before because you bought it.
हाँ,
Yeah, maybe you just saw the chart and it got rugged.
अच्छा, एक चीज है जो बात कर रहे थे about new returning wallets का. Found that dashboard. 1 second, let me just bring it up. So first thing तो okay, so CMC में if you just put in a filter for memes, so you can only obviously then see memes वाले. So meme के first page पे you saw consistently 30%, 60% gains, but if you go to even page 5, so उसमें भी 7-day जो change है उसमें not all of them have increased. Some have even decreased in last 7 days. So results are inconsistent. And second चीज जो pump fund पे what we are talking, I mean how trenches में activity आई है कि नहीं. So number of tokens जो बन रहे हैं वो increase हो रहा है. So we saw that in earlier dashboard also, like दिन के काफी बन रहे हैं. Like this is exclusively on pump fund, this dashboard. So दिन के 20,000 tokens बन रहे हैं, 25,000 बन रहे हैं. But if you look at the new and returning wallets, so peak was in Q4 of 2024. So green is the new wallets, orange is the returning wallets. You have massive spike of it. वहाँ पे start looking at November 2025 onwards. So memes have been going down. Number of wallets have stayed the same pretty much since October, November, when everything has been going
Yeah.
down and up suddenly pump aa gaya. But the number of tokens that are graduating and number of tokens that are being produced is gone up almost 3x in last 1 month or so. That kind of tells me that it could be a liquidity grab. That it's not meme season. Jo dikh raha hai, it's the same wallets who are pumping in, rugging those same tokens, and then coming back for round 2.
Got it.
Exactly.
And even the graduation rates, it continues to slide, and then suddenly you're seeing a spike. I wouldn't trust it that if you are in memes, it might be better off to be in the tier A memes or cult memes, as you call it. I don't think it's back in trenches yet, unless we see at least a few weeks of activity, and then you can say that for sure this is running in with new wallets coming in and new liquidity coming in. I think it's the same money roaming around.
Got it.
Interesting.
Yeah, one more thing I wanted to say onto the the guys हम discuss कर रहे थे कि why are we seeing a traction on memes in India, and why is there a volume coming there? One of the reasons that we need to also look at is the use of social media. Also, it's Instagram and TikTok, right? And a lot of these memes now are getting pushed on these sort of social channels rather than X. उस पे भी होता है, बट जो आपके पास अवाम, जो रिटेल अवाम आ रही है, जो खरीद रही है मीम टोकन्स अभी, वो सारी इंस्टाग्राम और टिकटॉक देख के आ रही है. एंड इंडिया इज सॉर्ट ऑफ लीडिंग इन इंस्टाग्राम एंड टिकटॉक in terms of user base across the world. So that is also one of the reasons why there we have a push on meme tokens getting bought in from India.
All right. चलो देख लेते हैं थोड़ी न्यूज़ में क्या चल रहा है आजकल.
Yeah.
So कल रियलिस्ट यू वर टॉकिंग अबाउट इट कि जो ISM मैन्युफैक्चरिंग वाला नंबर है, it should come
Yeah.
up to show some kind of significant economic activity. वो actually
Yeah.
expected से नीचे आया, so still
Yeah.
not there. Yeah, I'm not sure entirely about this news, but the US is preparing a draft deal with Greenland that would bypass Denmark.
अरे यार,
It
कोई
can-
सोर्स है या ऐसे ही बस डाल दिया ये यार?
So actually, so
कोई source नहीं है.
no. So
Source is me.
so it's not entirely wrong. I tried to verify it through Gemini and Grok. So there
अरे
is a
even better.
proposal. Yeah, so there is a proposal there. Reuters ने report किया था, but again, it never mentioned that it would bypass Denmark. So not sure about that.
See, Greenland का I think आया था कि some of their population proposes a full independence from Denmark, but a lot of them they don't want that. Okay, now we come under US. मतलब एक से मुक्ति मिली और फिर दूसरे के अंदर चले जाओ, So it's either full independence or like, okay, fine, it's like a semi-sovereign state of sorts. Like I think foreign policy and defense that's decided by Denmark. कुछ चीजों में Greenland has autonomy in it, but ये they are like केवल कुछ भी डाल देते हैं ये लोग.
अब देख वो हो गया ना कि जब से जैसे वेनेजुएला में उन्होंने करके मडूरो को ले गए, राइट? अब उसके बाद इट्स ओपन द फ्लड गेट्स ऑफ एनीथिंग इज पॉसिबल. कि ग्रीनलैंड चाहे तो हम ग्रीनलैंड चले जाएंगे, क्यूबा चले जाएंगे, कोलंबिया चले जाएंगे. इट्स ऑल इन द एयर, राइट? This is not just like these guys spreading the rumors. Trump was on his like Air Force One and reporters के सामने he was like कि हाँ क्यूबा जाना है, क्यूबा भी चल देंगे, कोलंबिया जाना है, कोलंबिया, ग्रीनलैंड में 20 दिन बाद बताऊंगा कि क्या कर रहे हैं हम. तो he's also doing that, right? कि he's inviting all of this like speculation on it.
I think मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ग्रीनलैंड से ज्यादा खतरा अगर किसी चीज को है तो वो क्यूबा और मेक्सिको को है with the current situation. With the way he's
Cuba
moving
is
around,
fully dependent
I
on
think
Venezuelan oil.
we should be more focused on Cuba and Mexico, Colombia and Mexico, because Greenland, okay, I mean, the way he's moving is not as like Navid said कि अब खुला तादाद है ना, अब तो वो कहीं भी जा सकता है.
What is the sort of logic for Greenland कि मतलब उसको Greenland क्यों चाहिए?
Minerals.
Russia
Perhaps, yeah. Perhaps.
Russia access, bro.
They're not in
or
sugarcoating it
because
like freedom
or
या
because
ये
he just wants it, man. I mean, like उसको चाहिए बस. वो बस बोल
मेरे
रहा है कि बस चाहिए मुझे.
मुझे चाहिए, मुझे ग्रीनलैंड चाहिए.
हाँ, मुझे ग्रीनलैंड चाहिए. It's an amazing place. It's an amazing country. Why is it even a country? It should be a state.
अच्छा ये
वो
था अभी
कनाडा
like
कनाडा को भी ले लेगा एक दिन.
Yeah.
वो तो पहले ही बोल दिया था 51st स्टेट है.
Yeah.
और ये जो वेनेजुएला में जो ऑपोजिशन लीडर है उससे अभी तक ट्रम्प ने बात की नहीं किया बिकॉज शी वाज नॉमिनेटेड फॉर नोबेल पीस प्राइज, तो उसकी जली हुई है उससे थोड़ी. अभी टाइम लगेगा उससे बात करने.
Okay. ठीक है भाई. I don't know if you guys saw this, but Parcel and Polymarket have done like a partnership, and Polymarket is gonna offer housing prediction markets. And
Nice.
I'm guessing कि Parcel से price feeds लेंगे वो.
Yeah.
RW feeds लिया and then predict करो. Interesting.
Yeah. Finally Parcel पे I don't know कि कितना volume आ रहा था उनको perps का, but this sort of like will help them, क्योंकि बीच में तो when they started off it was housing prices, housing futures, ये वो, but उसके बाद फिर their whole business model sort of died down. इतने लोग आके futures में trade कर नहीं रहते, but this is
Yeah,
like
I think people are not. Yeah, I think यार लोगों को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि यार उनको सिर्फ memes trade करना है यार, ये सब बकचोदी नहीं चाहिए उन लोगों को. ये काफी लोग ना समझ नहीं पा रहे हैं. I get it, right? Because काफी फाउंडर्स को ये समझने में दिक्कत हो रही है कि यार नहीं, मैंने व्हाइट पेपर लिखा है, मैंने गिटबुक बनाया है, मैंने वेबसाइट बनाया है.
we know निकलते हैं सब दुनिया बदलने.
Correct.
दुनिया बदलने.
Right, but लोग समझ नहीं रहे हैं कि यार like people want to trade memes, right? Like that's all they want to trade. Like I don't know. I mean, like you're better off launching a meme. I know parcel पता नहीं क्या कर रहे हैं. कौन who wants to trade like housing prices, man? Like why? Like I'd rather buy a house, right? अब लोग यहाँ पे अब देखो लोग का माइंड अपना टारगेट ऑडियंस देखो, राइट? टारगेट ऑडियंस क्या है तुम्हारा? वो मैं ये मान के चल रहा हूँ 20 से 35 साल का टारगेट ऑडियंस है आपका, राइट? वो मीम्स में घुस के पैसा कमा रहे कि वो घर खरीद सके, ये नहीं कि घर का फ्यूचर ट्रेड कर सके, है ना? वो गरीब आदमी वो बोल रहा है कि मैं एक 100x बना के घर खरीद लूं, और तुम यहाँ पे बोल रहे घर मत खरीदो, तुम इस पैसे को फ्यूचर में डाल दो. मेरे प्राइस फिट जो मैं खुद क्रिएट कर रहा हूँ, आज जो $100 है कल 102, मैं बोल सकता हूँ 102 हो सकता है या 98 होता है. Why would somebody do it, right? Like मेरे को ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. like आप देखो ना पॉली मार्केट क्यों चल रहा है. पॉली मार्केट इज इफेक्टिवली ट्रेडिंग एनीथिंग. Similarly, Kalshi is effectively trading anything outcome, right? It's nothing but a meme, right? जैसे आप मान लो SPX 6900, right? उन्होंने पहले बोला था we will SPX का क्या था पहले कि हम overthrow कर देंगे मतलब S&P को, and we will reach 6900 faster. Where is S&P right now? Like Narkundi can probably tell us where is S&P in general right now.
Where is Murad right now?
मुराद का छोड़ो, where is S&P right now? एक बार S&P
गाड़ी कटा ली अपनी.
S&P तो आप.
So S&P is at 6900 already. So S&P reached 6900 before SPX 6900. It's like fucking epic, dude, right? So anyway, so SPX was nothing but a prediction market, right? आप देखो कि will this reach 6900 or not before, right? तो मेरे हिसाब से in effect that outcome has now become zero. So SPX 6900 like should become zero because it could not sort of overthrow S&P. उस टाइम पे उनको थोड़ी पता था कि S&P भागना शुरू कर देगा और SPX नीचे जाना शुरू कर देगा. बट हुआ ये कि S&P पहले पहुंच गया. तो मेरे हिसाब से लोगों को ये समझना चाहिए कि people like memes, which is why prediction markets work, which is why Kalshi works, which is why Pump.Fun works, and this Parcel and all is just crap.
Yeah.
प्रेडिक्शन मार्केट्स में भी काफी इनसाइडर्स का आ रहा है. लाइक जो क्या बोलते हैं पॉली मार्केट पे एक था ओपन पोजीशन अबाउट वेदर Maduro will be in power till Jan end, and I think 4 या 5 hours before the strike happened, Fresh Wallet came in, $40,000 and 400,000 बना के निकल गया.
Wow.
So
who were being sent there to pick him up.
like
why are you surprised by this? Like, कि, oh, some politician is unethical and उसके पास जो secret information है, उससे वो कुछ आके trade करके पैसे बना रहा है. I mean, it should not be surprising, right? Nancy
उसको भी
यार,
Pelosi
अपना
का
चूल्हा
पूरा
जलाना
the
है,
only
रोटी
see the
बनाना
only way prediction markets can work is the presence of insiders, right? नहीं तो वो आप समझ रहे हो वो
है।
जाएगा
Edge.
कैसे उस तरफ? हाँ, मतलब इनसाइडर्स ही मूव कराएंगे ना उस मार्केट में, मतलब जिसको पता है कि आउटकम क्या है वो भी पैसा लगाएगा ना उसमें, एंड ही विल इवेंचुअली टेक दैट मार्केट टुवर्ड्स सर्टेनिटी.
Basically, that's it.
Alright, ये भी I'm not sure कि this is also सही न्यूज़ है कि नहीं. आज का रूमर्स वाला दिन है, so I'm just playing rumors कि Venezuela supposedly has 600,000 BTC reserves. वो इतने
ओ
दिन
यस,
जो
हाँ, ये भी मैंने देखा
Yes,
कि ये भी अब
and
स्ट्रेटेजिक रिजर्व्स ऑफ यूएसए में यूएसओपी में
Add
ऐड
हो
हो
गया।
जाएगा.
ऐड हो जाएगा. So,
अब ये पता लगाते ग्रीनलैंड के पास कितना है. कहीं ग्रीनलैंड के पास इसलिए तो नहीं जा रहा ट्रम्प क्योंकि उसको उनका वो चाहिए.
This is also scary. I mean, imagine because उन जो लॉ जो इनका वो रिजर्व का जो बिल है वो ये कहता है कि अपने रिजर्व तो नहीं बेच सकते, ठीक है. बट अगर वो वेनेजुएला से लेट्स सपोज कॉन्फिस्केट करता है ये BTC, they have all the right to sell this one off.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, that's true.
So,
Yeah, that's actually true.
Be very careful.
अब यार अब कुछ भी हो सकता है, लाइक ऐसे रियलिटी टीवी वाले दुनिया में हम रहते हैं कि कुछ भी हो सकता है. I'm not going to put anything past Trump at this point कि उसका
Yeah,
जो मन
true.
करेगा सुबह उठेगा फॉक्स न्यूज पे देखेगा कि कुछ हो रहा है, फिर बोलेगा कि चलो यार ये कर लेते हैं. एनीवेज
so far लग रहा है कि जो बोलता है वो करता है.
he's converted Adil to a fan, so
What?
ठीक है
क्या हो रहा है
चलो.
Jupiter पे?
Jupiter has launched JUP USD reserve
Jup
backed stable
USD.
coin. Jup
Another
USD,
stable
Wow,
coin.
amazing.
another stable
300
coin.
स्टेबल कॉइन्स थे, एक और 301 हो गए. वेरी गुड.
301st stable coin.
This
What
is-
they will do is then they will start pairing everything on their decks on
With-
Jupiter with Jup USD.
Jup USD,
Wow,
yeah.
amazing, great. Wow, love it. Progress.
All right, I don't know if you saw this. 49 crypto exchanges were registered last year in India. Like इसमें से सिर्फ 4 जो थे वो foreign थे, बाकी सब Indian थे. So I don't even know. 45
मतलब
Indian,
45 Indian crypto exchanges हैं.
not
Amazing.
just 45. There are a total of 128 Indian exchanges, out of which 45 को license मिला. So कभी किसी का नाम भी नहीं सुना, of course, but yeah,
Of course.
बाकी लाइसेंस के बगैर चल रहे हैं.
I guess.
यार 45 को लाइसेंस मिल गया, 45 ही चल रहे हैं. I'm surprised. कौन है ये लोग, पता नहीं क्या करते हैं. मतलब यार, मतलब people should just stay away from exchanges. Just buy it off a DEX, man. मैं तो इंडियंस को बार-बार बोले यार भैया यूनिस्वैप से आके खरीदो. तुम्हें पता नहीं आपसे तुम किससे खरीद रहे हो, वो ऑर्डर बुक कौन चला रहा है, एक्सचेंज ही चला रहा है. तुम भाई जाके डेक्स से खरीद लो भाई, क्या फर्क पड़ रहा है तुम्हें.
But you have Binance, KuCoin, Bybit, Coinbase. ठीक है, पूरी दुनिया की लिक्विडिटी तो एटलीस्ट इन सेक्सेस के पास है. तो at this point, I mean, unless someone comes up and अच्छी liquidity and very trusted ये वो whatever, उसके पहले तो I don't think people should risk it. Especially what happened with WazirX, right? कि पैसे हैक हो गया, पैसे उड़ गए, देंगे
Yeah,
नहीं
correct.
देंगे.
अब दूसरा वाला आएगा. I think that CoinDCS guy is probably saying that देखो भैया, I mean for him now trust is the biggest currency, right? Because WazirX
Yeah.
went kaput. So for
Yeah.
CoinSwitch and CoinDCX and all,
Yeah.
so these guys trust is their biggest currency. But we are, I mean, like who's running their order books? Nobody knows. It's like all of these exchanges are really opaque, right?
Yeah.
You can be a broker, but to be an exchange, it has to be like, I mean, it has to be run by the government. I mean, although you
Yeah.
can't really trust the government also, but in this case, how can you trust random blokes, man, to run an order book saying that देखो this is completely genuine? तो मेरे हिसाब से people are just better off buying from a DEX. ये पता
Yeah.
नहीं कहाँ ये सब low liquidity exchanges से खरीदते हैं, पता नहीं क्या ही, मतलब
Yeah. Oh, yeah. बहुत दिल पे लग गए उसको वो. ठीक है. He really felt strongly, but
CoinDCS cut me off, man. ऐसा लग रहा है Indian exchanges are much.
yeah,
You just got really angry on CoinDCS. Screw this.
Yeah. Carter's a
I'll,
swing cutter.
yeah, I'll walk out. Okay, fine. Crypto payments are scaling faster than most people realize. यानी Visa and क्या बोलते हैं? I'm guessing कि Mastercard पे
This is
जो
something that I'm
spending
bullish on.
yeah,
This is something that I'm bullish on. Like I'm really bullish on stable coin payment rails यार. I mean देखो यार आज के दिन में अगर मैं किसी को पैसे भेजता हूँ, मेरे को फालतू का बैंकिंग चैनल के थ्रू गुजरना पड़ता है, उस बंदे को वेट करना पड़ता है. अगर मैं कोई इंटरनेशनल ट्रांसफर कर रहा हूँ, उस बंदे को भाई 1 घंटा वेट करना है, मेरे को $50 उसके ऊपर से फालतू खर्चे के देना है एंड 100 सवाल पूछने हैं. अगर वो मेरा पैसा है, आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट क्रिप्टो मींस बाईपासिंग केवाईसी. अगर मैं प्रॉपर केवाईसी यूजर हूँ तो भैया मैं और मेरे पास यूएसडीसी पड़ा हुआ है या यूएसडीटी पड़ा हुआ है, आई शुड बी एबल टू यूज stablecoin rails and just be able to send it from any person to the other. So this is something that I'm very, very bullish on. I think payments using crypto is going to become a massive, massive thing. जो सपना हमको XRP ने दिखाया था वो USDT और USDC पूरा करेंगे.
yeah.
Visa और
bro,
मास्टर
and to be
कार्ड के
honest,
साथ.
I personally use crypto payments on cards, right? Like so I was using ये Swiss account से Swiss bank वगैरह, तो मैं उनका
Yeah,
कार्ड यूज कर रहा था, right? And it was very easy. I mean, transferring each to
correct,
my USDT करके, and you put
correct.
it as a balance in your card, and it worked everywhere like any other
100%,
credit card, right? And it was basically
100%.
cutting it off
And
the
आपने
cost.
KYC तो जरूर करी होगी ना?
And they did, bro, KYC. They did my KYF. They knew my family KYC.
Understood. Got it.
Right? They did that, but I'm okay with that as
Correct.
long as it makes my life easier, right? कि मैं
Exactly.
पैसा exchange से उतार के
Correct.
बैंक में डालूं, बैंक मुझसे 1000 सवाल पूछे कि ये
100%.
कौन exchange से निकाला, क्यों निकाला. यार मेरे
100%.
पास एक कार्ड है, I'm swiping off, मैं घर के शॉपिंग भी कर रहा हूँ, मैं फ्यूल भी डलवा रहा हूँ, मुझे
That is the
कैशबैक
future.
मिल रहा है. तो I mean, what else do I need?
That is the future. USDT, मतलब like holding your assets in in stable coins, regulated stable coins. I think that is the future. And that is something that I'm very, very bullish on. ये सब exchange तो सब चलो ये सब बकैती हैं ये सब, but payment systems के लिए I think that's the future.
Yeah, तेरे flows भी positive हो रहे हैं. So BTC, Sol, XRP तो हम जानते ही हैं.
Oh,
And yeah, but BTC like was a good almost $700 million. So that's
ooh,
nice.
that's big.
Oh.
That's big.
Yeah. And yes, so ये कल हम बात कर रहे थे, but Bitcoin Treasury Company MicroStrategy की daily trading volume is more than Intel's now.
Wow.
And Intel has been doing really well, yeah, because since the US government bought it, Intel has been pumping like crazy. So उससे ज़्यादा volume होना is, I mean, that's some achievement. ठीक है
Yeah.
भाई, आज के लिए इतना बहुत. It was a good talk. We'll see you tomorrow. Please like, share, subscribe, leave some more comments, and you now understand what the Narkundi indicator is. So
Yeah.
tell us, tell us how we can improve that more.
We will have a Narkundi, what do you call, indicator on Kalshi या इस तरह ना, जिसपे we will have Narkundi का yes or no trade खोलेंगे अपन, and we'll see where it moves.
Yes. Anyways, thank you so much. We'll see you tomorrow.
Sure.
Adios.
See you
Bye
guys.
bye.
See you guys.